Hello, everyone. My name is Fasayo, and here are the World Cultural events and celebrations for the week of February 8th to February 14th. Monday, February 9th is the last quarter of the moon, which can be seen at 7:43 a.m. It signifies a time of release, reflection, and letting go of what no longer serves you. Be sure to look out for it. Wednesday, February 11th is World Day of the Sick, an annual observance bringing attention to the needs of people living with illnesses and the caregivers who support them. It is often marked by prayer and reflection, while also pointing toward the very real everyday work of healthcare, relieving suffering, improving quality of life, and continuing research and care that make healing more possible. Thursday, February 12th is National Freedom to Marry. The day honors the couples who took risks by showing up, speaking out, and asking their communities to see them fully. It also encourages supporters to keep learning, keep listening, and keep standing up for equal treatment in both law and daily life. Saturday, February 14th, is Valentine's Day, a day dedicated to expressing love, admiration, and affection for partners, family, and friends. Named after Saint Valentine, a Christian martyr from the 3rd century, it was suggested that he was a priest who defied Emperor Claudius II by marrying couples in secret. We celebrate by exchanging flowers, especially roses, chocolates, and cards to Valentine's. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And that's it for the World Cultural Events and Celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. My name is Fasayo, and I'll see you all next time.